Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 6th of August. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and not issue trading signals. Right, Bitcoin is going sideways to slightly up. In terms of the daily middle band, it is slightly over it now. Or was it? No, it's basically on it. 64,400, and it's currently at 64,460, so it's very, very slightly over it. So we could be breaking back above, but we're still in the inflection point we've been in all week. In terms of the hourly chart, we could be forming a head and shoulders here, and we could, of course, be forming. We could, of course, go back and retest this high here at 66.9, and if we do, this is a potential inverse head and shoulders forming. So very much in the balance. I'm still leaning somewhat towards the downside, but this is a very two-way setup here. In terms of Solana, been pretty flat this week so far. On the daily chart, slightly below the daily middle band and slightly below the 50 DMA still. In terms of where we are here, we've got a lovely three-touch support trend line, and the question here is whether we're going to go back and retest this high here at 83.89. Keeping an open mind, it is staying close to the trend line here. All that trend line has to do is break, and this is a likely bear flag breaking towards a retest of the low at 60.12. That would be my lean, but we do have a pretty nice looking bear flag here. Bull flag here, and that's not been weakened by actually coming up to the resistance level yesterday and then reversing there. We now have a four-touch trend line for resistance on this potential bull flag, and it is very much a potential bull flag. Looking at Ethereum, again, sideways to slightly up so far this week. In terms of the daily middle band, we're above it, but only marginally. I've got that at 1891, and currently I've got Ethereum at 1902. So very marginal. In terms of where we are here, this actually leans basically all bear. There's no real bull scenario here. We've got a very nice looking flag. It's got three touches on the resistance trend line, and while we might see another retest of the high, there'd be no need for it. The obvious move is down. Could we be forming a head and shoulders here to get us, well, halfway down to this flag support and a retest of the low? Yes, we could. Question is whether we are. So we shall see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, no questions. I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.